Fermin goes to the gym. He makes a big mistake. In this video, you learn action and gym words. Slow and clear. Stay with Fermin to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. Fermin looks at the gym. He feels very small. Awa works at the gym. She is very nice. Fermin meets Awa. He is a little afraid. Fermin sits on a black mat. He stretches his legs. He sees heavy machines. He is very nervous. Awa points to the weights. She helps him. But the machines are very big. Can he use them? Fermin holds a big weight. He pulls hard. The weight does not move. Fermin is sad. Then he sees a yellow band. He has an idea. He pulls the band back. It is very hard. The band hits him. He falls back. Awa comes to him. She tells him to stop. Fermin stands on a machine. He feels brave. He sees a big red button. He points at it. He presses the button. The machine starts fast. Fermin runs very fast. He screams loud. He is very tired. He needs help now. Awa presses a button. The machine stops fast. Fermin rests on the machine. He breathes hard. Awa gives him a towel. She smiles at him. Fermin shows a hand. He is safe now. He looks at a tall machine. It is very high. Fermin looks at a high bar. He reaches up. He stands on his toes. He holds the heavy bar. He pulls very hard, but the bar stays up. Fermin opens his eyes. He is very tired. Fermin hangs in the air. He cannot reach the floor. He kicks his legs. He looks very funny. Awa stands next to him. She looks at him. Fermin looks at Awa. He needs her help again. Furman holds the bar. His face is very red. Awa smiles at him. She has a good plan. Awa pulls a metal pin. She takes it out. Furman falls down fast. He is very surprised. Furman sits on the seat. He is happy and safe. Awa holds the small pin. She shows it to him. She puts the pin high. She makes the weight light. Furman pulls the bar down. He has a big smile. But the gym has more things. What happens next? Furman looks at a big bar. It is very heavy. He holds the bar. He pulls very hard. He lifts it a little, but his legs shake. He drops the heavy bar. He falls back fast. Fermín lies on the floor. He feels very sad. Awa looks down at him. She laughs a little. Fermín points one finger up. He needs to rest. Awa gives him small weights. They are blue. Fermín lifts the small weights. He does a good job. Awa claps her hands. Fermín is very happy today. Wait, before you go, some words from today, just for you. Listen and repeat. Treadmill, treadmill. Button, button. Water, water. Towel, towel. Dumbbell, dumbbell. Mat, mat. Machine, machine. Pen, pen. Wait, wait. Shoes, shoes. You listened. You learned. Like and subscribe for more stories. This is more Lingua English. Watch next.